Hi there! Welcome again to this YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a video in Canva with music. Canva is a fantastic user-friendly tool for creating all sorts of graphics and videos. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a video and adding music to it using Canva. Ideal for your YouTube channel and other social media platforms. In this video, you will need a Canva account, a video, footage, or image you want to use, a music track. It can be from the Canvas library or your own, and a concept or idea for your video. To start creating your video, head over to www.canva.com. Once you're signed in, let's click on Create a Design button. You can find in the upper left hand of your screen. Type in YouTube video or video, and select the appropriate dimension you want to use. This will open a blank canvas where you can start building your video. On the left-hand panel, click on Uploads, and then click Upload Files, and select the video clip or video you wanted to upload. Once you've selected your videos, click Open, and wait for your media to upload to Canva. To add media to your timeline, simply drag and drop your uploaded videos or images onto the canvas. Each item will become a separate scene in your video. If you wanted to add another scene, just simply click on the Add Page button and drag drop your videos into that canvas. Adjust the sizes and do the same process to the others. Adjust the duration of each scene by clicking on the scene, then dragging the edges of the timeline at the bottom of the screen. To arrange the order of your scenes, drag and drop the scenes in the timeline to arrange them in the order you want. If you want to trim or split your video clips, click on the scene you want to split and click on the split page icon you can find at the top of your screen. If you want to add some transitions between pages, just click on Add Transition. We can also add some text and graphics to your videos. To add text, click on the Text tab in the left-hand panel. As you can see, there are already font matches and styles ready to be used. But we can still go for our own style. Just click on the Add a Text Box button. After that, type in the text you want to add in your video. Then we can start adjusting and customizing the text. Let's start resizing the frame by simply clicking and dragging the corner of the text box. Using Canva's Smart Guideline, let's put the word at the center. Now select the font style. Then let's change the font color from black to white. We can also put an extra style to it using the halo effect. Let's adjust the spacing of these letters in the Spacing tab. Now it's time to add an element to our video. Click on the Element tab you can find in the left-hand panel. You can put different kinds of shapes, elements, graphics, or even stickers to your video. But in this tutorial, let me add something similar to the content that I'm doing. I'm searching for ocean animals. Just scrolling down the Elements tab, I can find different kinds of elements and graphics to use. Let me try out these two beautifully designed elements. Since most of the graphics in Canva are editable, I can change the colors instantly. Under the Elements tab, click on the audio. Browse through Canva's library of royalty-free music. Drag and drop the music track onto the timeline. It will appear as a separate audio track below your video scenes. To adjust the music volume and position, click on the music track in the timeline. Adjust the volume using the volume slider in the top panel. Drag the music track to align with the desired starting point in your video. You can also trim the music track by dragging the edges of the timeline to match the length of your video. And if you want to add more music, just simply repeat the process. Drag and drop the music you wanted to use. For easy access tools, you can right-click your mouse and add some fade in and fade out. Now let's preview your video. Click the play button in the top right corner to preview your entire video. Now let's download your video. Once you're satisfied with your video, click the share button found in the top right corner of your screen. Choose Download from the drop-down menu. Select the file type. MP4 is the recommended file for uploading videos on YouTube and other social media platforms. And make sure to select all of the pages you wanted to export. After that, click the download button. Simply wait for your video to finish downloading. And that's how you create awesome videos with music using Canva. Now it's your turn. Go give it a try and let me know in the comments what you create. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.